Outlook Business Magazine Day ET Now News Channel ni Thansa Luwajijakma by Swrnakamal Jewelers Nokphang Gopal Chandra Nag na Yapharjakha Outlook Business Conclave Jewelry Industry Icon Award. Actually, Panamanzaka Information Technology Minister Ashish Sheller, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Minister Mongol Pratap Lord, Outlook Group CEO Indra Nil Roino Kobit Dekoranadong.
Industry icon, a journey of craft and trust. Well, we want all of you to please definitely make some noise as this goes to Gopal Chandra Nag, the founder and chairperson, Swrnakamal Jewelers. Hearty congratulations. Could we please request the winner to come forward? Well, it started off with this hardship in a small village in Tripura. Mr. Nag has transformed determination and faith into a lifelong pursuit of craftsmanship, I must say. Let's give him a big round of applause. And ladies and gentlemen, I must tell you that today one of the Northeast India's most luxury brands, now represented by around 6 company and sister brand stores built on trust, integrity, devotion, and generations of fine craftsmanship. This is what our winner is all about. Hearty congratulations to you once again.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.